Hello, I'm Laura and I'm going to present Grade 6, Unit 12. Lesson 1, Shapes. Talking about shapes. Listening and speaking. 1A. Name the shapes. Then listen and repeat. Semicircle, rectangle, pentagon, triangle, cube, cylinder, heart, oval, circle, diamond, square, trapezium. 1B. Look at the pictures in exercise 1A. In pairs, ask and answer the questions. The first one is done for you. A. What is the shape of picture 1? B. It's a circle. 2A. Look at the shapes on the right. What shapes are they? Listen and complete the dialogues. Dialogue 1. A. Where's the square? B. It's below the circle. A. How many stars are there inside the circle? B. 3. A. How many hearts are there inside the square? B. 2. Dialogue 2. A. Where's the rectangle? B. It's above the triangle. A. How many circles are there inside the rectangle? B. 2. A. How many diamonds are there inside the triangle? B. 3. 2B. In pairs, practice the dialogues. 3. Listen and complete. First, draw a medium size 1. Circle in the middle of your paper. Then draw a 2. Triangle inside the circle with its 5 points touching the circumference. Next, draw a medium size 3. Square below the circle with the top of the square touching the bottom of the circle. Now draw a small 4. Rectangle in the square with its angles not touching the square. Finally, put a small 5. Heart inside the triangle with the sides of the diamond not touching the triangle. Lesson 2. The Tin Man looking for a heart. Different shapes, instructions and directions. Reading. 1. Read the passage. The Tin Man. Once there was a selfish and lazy woodcutter. He was also a cruel and ugly man. He lived in a small village near a forest. He chopped down trees in the forest and sold the wood for a living. One day he made an old witch very angry because he would not sell her any wood for her cooking fire. She used her magical powers to change him into a person made of different shapes of tin, such as circles, triangles, semicircles, cylinders, and rectangles. People called him the Tin Man. He became kind and helpful to others. Everyone loved him very much. He was very sad because he did not have a heart. After many years, he met a fairy. "You must see the wizard in the Emerald City," she said. "He has the magic to help you find a heart." She gave the Tin Man directions. "First, walk out of the forest until you come to a yellow brick road. Then turn left and walk on. Next you will meet other travelers walking in the same direction. They are also looking for the wizard. Help them, be kind and protect them. Finally, you will arrive in the Emerald City." The Tin Man followed her directions and carried out her instructions. He met a lost girl named Dorothy, a lion searching for courage, and a scarecrow without a brain. On their journey to the Emerald City, they helped one another and became good friends.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow, 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 follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick road. You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find he is a wizard, a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We hear he is a whiz of a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Here he is, a whiz of a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh, we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Here he is, the whiz of a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
1A. Complete each sentence below with an appropriate word or phrase. 1. Long ago, there lived a cruel and ugly man in a small village. 2. The old witch was angry with him because he did not sell her any wood for her cooking fire. 3. The Tin Man was made of different shapes of tin. 4. Everyone loved the Tin Man very much because he was kind and helpful. 5. The fairy gave the Tin Man directions to the Emerald City. 6. The wizard could help the Tin Man to find a heart. 7. The Tin Man met 3 other travellers looking for the wizard. 8. The name of the lost girl was Dorothy. 9. The lion wished to find courage. 10. The scarecrow did not have a brain. 1b. Write the instructions that the fairy gave to the Tin Man. Write the answers in your exercise book. For example, 1. You must see the wizard in the Emerald City. 1c. Write the directions that the fairy gave to the Tin Man. Write the answers in your exercise book. For example, 1. Walk out of the forest until you come to a yellow brick road. 1d. Put the following events in the order they happened. The first one is done for you. D. The selfish and lazy man earned a living as a woodcutter. 2. B. He was turned into the Tin Man by the magical powers of the old witch. 3. F. He was very unhappy because he did not have a heart. 4. A. The Tin Man met a fairy who directed him to the wizard. 5. E. He took a journey to the Emerald City where the wizard lived. 6. C. On the way he met Dorothy, a lion and a scarecrow. 1e. Complete the table with a word from the passage that means the opposite of each in the table. Hard-working, lazy, kind, cruel, beautiful, ugly, hate, love, enemy, friend, happy, sad. 1f. In groups, draw a picture of the Tin Man using different shapes. Then tell the other groups about your picture. Lesson 3. What shape is it? Adjectives describing shapes. The use of imperatives with sequence words. Vocabulary. Square, 2D, cube, 3D. What is the difference between a plane shape and a solid shape? A closed, two-dimensional 2D width and length or flat object is called a plane shape. Plane shapes include squares, circles, and triangles. For example, a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A solid shape is a 3-dimensional 3D width, length, and height object. Solid shapes include cubes, spheres, and cylinders. For example, a cube has 6 square sides and 8 corners. 1. Put the following shapes in the correct column. Circle, cube, triangle, sphere, rectangle, cone, square, pentagon, cylinder, rectangular prism. Plane shapes, 2D, circle, triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon. Solid shapes, 3D, sphere, cube, cone, cylinder, rectangular prism. Grammar. A. Adjectives describing shapes. Adjectives can be used to describe the shapes of objects as follows. For example, 1. This roof is rectangular in shape. 2. The CD is circular in shape. Below is a list of nouns and their adjectives used to describe shapes. Noun. Circle. Adjective, circular. Noun, triangle. Adjective, triangular. Noun, cube. Adjective, cubic. Noun, rectangle. Adjective, rectangular. Noun, cone. Adjective, conical. Noun, cylinder. Adjective, cylindrical. Noun, pentagon. Adjective, pentagonal. Noun, sphere. Adjective, spherical. Noun, oval. Adjective, oval. Noun, square. Adjective, square. Noun, diamond. Adjective, diamond-shaped. Noun, heart. Adjective, heart-shaped. Noun, star. Adjective, star-shaped. Noun, leaf. Adjective, leaf-shaped. Noun, bell. Adjective, bell-shaped. Noun, arrow. Adjective, arrow-shaped. 1. Fill each blank with the correct form of the words given in brackets. 1. The egg is oval in shape. 2. The photo is rectangular in shape. 3. The roof of this house is triangular in shape. 4. The beetle leaf is heart-shaped. 5. The face of this clock is circular in shape. 6. The theatre is pentagonal in shape. 7. The temple is bell-shaped. 8. The Christmas tree is conical in shape. 9. The small table is diamond-shaped. 10. Our earth is spherical in shape. B. Imperatives. Imperative forms of the verbs are generally used to give instructions and directions. They are usually used with sequence words like first, then, next, after that, finally, etc. For example, first, draw a 5-point star on the background. Then draw a circle around the star, touching the 5 points of the star. Next, draw a triangle below the circle with the top of the triangle touching the bottom of the circle. After that, draw a rectangle inside the triangle with its angles touching the triangle. Finally, draw a small heart in the center of the rectangle. 2a. The following are the steps in replacing a light bulb. Put the sentences in the correct order. A. Turn on the light. B. Remove the light bulb. C. Turn off the electricity. D. Put in the new light bulb. 2b. Rewrite the sentences using sequence words such as first, then, next, and finally. Step 1. First, turn off the electricity. Then, remove the light bulb. Next, put in the new light bulb. Finally, turn on the light. Lesson 4. Can you describe it? Describing shapes. Writing. 1. Match the questions 1 to 5 in column A with the responses A to E in column B. 1. What's that? A flat TV. 2. What shape is it? E. Rectangular. 3. What size is it? A. 32 inches. 4. How many sides does it have? B. 4 sides. 5. How many corners does it have? C. 4 corners. 2. Describe the shape of each and tell its colour. The first one is done for you. 1. Picture 1 is a starfish. It is star-shaped. It is orange in colour. 2. Picture 2 is a flat TV. It is rectangular in shape. It is black in colour. 3. Picture 3 is a tin. It is cylindrical in shape. It is red in colour. 4. Picture 4 is a Christmas tree. It is conical in shape. It is green in colour. 5. Picture 5 is an egg. It is oval in shape. It is brown in colour. 6. Picture 6 is a ball. It is spherical in shape. It is black and white in colour. 3. Student A gives instructions. Student B listens and draws a diagram. Step 1. First, draw a big rectangle in the middle of your paper. Step 2. Then, draw a 5-point star inside the rectangle with its points touching the 4 sides of the rectangle. Step 3. Next, draw a big oval below the rectangle. Step 4. Finally, draw a small star in the bottom left-hand corner, a small heart in the top right-hand corner, and a small diamond in the centre of the circle. 4. Look at the diagrams below. Write instructions for them. Work in pairs. Student A reads the instructions for the diagrams, and Student B listens and draws. Use sequence words. Then change roles. Diagram A. First, draw a useful language inside the triangle, above the circle, below the square, on the left right-hand side, on top of the oval, in the middle of your paper, in the bottom left-hand corner, in the top right-hand corner, in the centre of the circle.